Good afternoon. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and this is my second attempt to create this video. Now, this video is about a new journey, a new lifestyle, and committing to something permanently. Now, I hope that you have already subscribed. I hope you will click the like button. If you haven't, please do so. But I wanted to create this video to let you guys know my plans. Beginning July 1st, I plan on making better life choices. I already was doing that before, but I'm always falling off the wagon. You know what I mean? Like, I want to try my best and damnness to create a better lifestyle. And why I picked July 1st, I've been thinking about this for a long time, but I usually just jump right into something like the next day, like, hey, I'm not gonna eat meat, oh, I'm not gonna eat this sugar, oh, I'm not gonna buy these cookies, or whatever the case may be, and it doesn't last long. But I'm slowly committing myself to start on July 1st, 2022, and these are the reasons why. I need to be able to walk. I need to be able to wake up in the morning without aches and pains. I need to be able to go to sleep well. I need to be able to function. I need to be able to not have these, like, my brain is foggy. Like, I can't think, and remember the simplest things. Like, I know it. Why is it's not coming out my mouth like I needed to, right? So my main reason that I do make a lot of these health conscious or want to get well choices or decisions is because I have little ones and I need to be here. I'm 40 years old. I have a 1-year-old, a 9-year-old, a 16-year-old, and a 18-year-old. And where would I be? What could I do for them if I'm not well, right? So you have to make all this well so you can be good for someone else, right? Yeah, those are my reasons. For my children, wait, let me take that back. For myself, right? For myself first, and then comes my children, because if I'm not well with myself, then I can't be well for someone else, right? So for myself, for my children, I want to not have to depend on medication. I currently was recently diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. I don't take day-to-day medicine. I do take Rotuxan, which is supposed to be every 6 weeks, but it's been every 3 months. Not every 6 weeks. It's supposed to be every 6 months, but lately, since I just started, it's been every 3 months. And in fact, today is June. I don't know what today is, but I have another appointment in August. And I just had one in May. Yeah, I had 2 in May because I just started. I had 2 in May, June, July, and August, right? Well, we all seen it on TV, or we all have a notion of what multiple sclerosis can do to you in the long run. It's not a terminal illness, it's a disabling illness. It messes up your central nervous system, the whole function how everything works. So I can't see myself in the long run being disabled. One of my fears is not being able to walk. I experienced that. Not completely disabled, but losing the ability to walk, losing the ability to hold your pencil, hold a spoon, hold a fork, put on your clothes, put on socks, put on your bra. You know what I mean? Like, so I can't go backwards. I'm only moving forward. So I need to make better choices, right? So what I'm finding is every time I have an issue, a concern, or I'm not understanding why is this happening to my body, I have the ability now, after several years, I have the ability now to email my doctor and get a response within 2 days. And she's been good at it. Sometimes she even responds that same day. It depends on what time of day that I email her, you know? But what is always the solution? Oh, I'm feeling dizziness. Oh, take this medication for that. Oh, I'm feeling weak in my arms. Or I'm feeling weak in my leg, weakness. Take medication for this. Take medication for that. It's always the solution for what the doctor tells me. It's always take some kind of medication. It's never, okay, this is happening to you, why? Right? That's what we want to know, why. There's a reason why, right? So the best advice, or the best thing I've learned, is to trust myself. Some days I can't even explain how I'm feeling. It's just weird. I'm just off. It's just weird. And the best thing I can do is go lay down. Go lay down and it will pass. You know, let's rest and see, and it'll pass. But that doesn't mean that it's over or that it's gone. That just means that I'm rested enough to I'm rested enough to deal with the problems that's going on. Just like if somebody was stressed, like you go to work, right? Everybody goes to work. On a normal day, you can handle your workload, you know what I mean? But if you're stressed out or something else going on at home or something else, your car don't work, then you get overwhelmed and you can't function. So I need to eliminate. Let's eliminate all the bad things and create new great habits, right? So I can't believe that I'm about to put this picture up because I'm literally just like putting it out there, right? So this is me. This is me. This is how much I weigh. I weigh 198, 199. And I mean, it fluctuates. Let's just say 199, the highest, right? And I have a scale. It's called, what is the scale called? Fixed Index? Yeah, the Fixed Index. It's a great scale. I mean, it's not accurate, I don't think, because on different surfaces I put it on, it shows different. So I have to make sure that it's on a flat, hard surface. And that's the result that I get, and it's always 198, 199, right? The Fit Index comes with a app, and the app shows you your trans fat, the other fats which I can't name, but I'll show you guys. And this is me. I haven't always been this weight. I recently had Marley. She's a year old now. And during that pregnancy, I gained 100, not 100, no. My highest weight during that pregnancy was 225, 230, I think. And after I had it, it was back to 198, 199, like easily. Like she was all that extra weight. But prior to that, for 5 years now, prior to that, I was 140. I've always been at 140. And prior to that, I was skin and bones. You know what I mean? Like, I never had a issue with weight. Always had an issue with bad eating habits. That I did have. I never had a big appetite. I always ate like a bird, you know what I mean? But I always loved sugar. Right, Johnny? You know, I start my day with sugar. I can, yeah, all day I can eat sugar, and that is my problem. Start my morning off with my donut, muffin,
cookies.
Oh, he's telling on me now. But I have to have some kind of pastry or some kind of sweet with my coffee, you know what I mean? My coffee is not heavy with sugar. It's just had cream in it. Because of the pastry or whatever, it kind of balances it off. That's the sugar that I have. But I don't want to be this size. I mean, I'm not focusing on my weight. I'm focusing on a healthier lifestyle. And I think if I do that, then naturally the weight, the inches, pounds, whatever the case may be, will come off, you know, and it won't be like a dramatic where I'm shocked, because I did measure myself. Even though it's not my focus, I do know when you start to lose weight, you may lose a lump sum, 5-10 pounds water weight, right? And after that, it may be inches, it may be centimeters, right? So I want to not get discouraged and quit because I'm not seeing results. So I did measure myself. Like I said, I'm 199 pounds. Chest area is 34 centimeters. And I'm not the best. I should have had somebody else do it for me, but I didn't. So 39 around the chest. The waist, 39 inches. I have another picture. I'm gonna show you guys. 39 inches waist. Thighs, 30 inches or 29 inches. And those are the areas that I feel are not that flattering. So as I'm making better choices, I'm going to periodically weigh myself. I'm not going to do it every week, but if I feel myself getting discouraged or whatever, I'm going to look at my results, look at the past versus the present, you know? So I'm creating this video to hold myself accountable to what I say on the video, and I want you guys to hold me accountable as well, right? I need the encouragement. If you know anything, if you've done it before, you see results, you know some recipes. I don't know about exercise. I'm gonna walk more, move more. I'm gonna walk more and move more, but like I said, with multiple sclerosis, I get so exhausted so fast. And unless it's like a Friday where I don't have to get up during the weekend, then I'm gonna try to do more of a physical activity. But we have a pool here where I live. We have a nice walking area. And then YouTube, stretching. We have a cowbell. Like, there's things I have that will help me. And again, I'm gonna create another video for the items I use to deal with the pain, because I'm not big on medication. I take Tylenol or Advil if it gets too extreme, but the aches and pains, the muscle spasms and stuff like that, I have a bunch of massagers, neck massagers, foot massagers, leg massagers, back massagers, heating pads. And if you guys want to see all that stuff or want to know where I got it from, I'll be happy to create a video for you. But in the meantime, this is a new me starting July 1st, 2022. Remember, you have to subscribe. You have to click the like button, because I want you guys to follow me through this journey, okay? So you guys have a blessed Sunday and make better choices.